In front of me is Honor 200 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Home Screen and Style. Then select Fonts over here and tap on a perfect one for you. I will go with, for example, this one. Select Download at the bottom, hit Apply and wait. So when I go back, as you can see, style of my font has changed. If you want to go back to your default style, access exactly the same settings, and this time click on Me option at the top on the right. Then tap on Default or Android style and hit Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!